Can you imagine living surrounded by art, culture, history, and having the #1 beach in the country just minutes away? Today I'll take you on a tour of Downtown Sarasota, one of Florida's best kept secrets. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you some hidden gems you won't find anywhere else. Downtown Sarasota blends Florida's laid-back spirit with the vibrant energy of an artistic and modern city. Every Saturday, the farmers market fills the streets with color, aromas, and music. Art galleries invite you to lose yourself among local and international works. And the Art Ovation Hotel is an experience in itself, where contemporary art meets luxury hospitality. If you're a food lover, you'll find everything from classic flavors at Madison's to all kinds of international food restaurants and unique craft beers at 99 Bottles. Prefer nightlife? The iconic Gator Club, with more than 70 years of history, is the perfect spot to dance, sing karaoke, and enjoy. Now I want to show you one of my favorite places, Pineapple Rocks. This unique shop offers crystals, minerals, fossils, shark's teeth, dinosaur teeth, handmade jewelry, and items you've probably never seen before. A true hidden gem right in the heart of Sarasota. A perfect place to take a little piece of Sarasota magic with you. Are you enjoying this tour so far? Hit like, comment with your favorite place, and share this video with someone who should visit Sarasota. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Casa US Sarasota for more local adventures. But beyond its vibrant present, Downtown Sarasota holds a fascinating past. The Florida Studio Theater, originally built in 1915 as the Sarasota Women's Club, has preserved documents and memorabilia from a century ago. The Gumpert's Theater has hosted performances since the 1920s and continues to be a cultural cornerstone. The Sarasota Opera House, opened in 1926, evolved from vaudeville and silent films to hosting a young Elvis Presley in 1956, just before he became a household name. The Crest Building, one of Sarasota's few examples of Art Deco architecture, was built in 1932, a symbol of resilience during the Great Depression. Downtown Sarasota is not just a place to visit, it's a way of life. Art, history, dining, and community all in one place. Follow me for more local secrets and Florida living tips. I'm Rosa Payson, your real estate doctor, taking away the aches and pains of buying or selling a home.